In this video, we're looking at a question type called word groupings. Some of the material has been taken from our verbal reasoning books, which you can find in the video description. We've also got a free PDF with 20 questions for you to practice at home. So let's get into it. These questions are about grouping words or numbers. Each set of 5 words can be grouped into a set of 2 and a set of 3. Underline the 2 words which make up the set of 2. So we're just finding 2 different groups and then circling or selecting the ones that will be 2. So obviously if you're doing a verbal reasoning test and you're given an answer sheet, and you're going to have to select 2 and put a line through it as indicated on the test paper, or write them down, depends on the test format. So let's look at these. So we've got plane, train, vehicle, transport and bicycle. That's our example. Think about what the similarity is between all the words, work out what they are. So we've got plane, obviously if it's a vehicle. We've got train, it's also a vehicle or form of transport. We've got vehicle, which is a general word for the form of transport. Then we've got transport, which is the thing in of itself, the wider category. And then we've got bicycle, again a vehicle. So you can see here, we can actually eliminate 3 of these. And then we're left with vehicle and transport as the ones that are sort of grouped together because they're wider categories of things. So let's go on to some examples. So you've got 5 things: liver, bacon, heart, steak and kidney. Now 3 of these stand out to me as organs because you've got liver, heart and kidney. Now they're also things that you can eat as food, but bacon and steak stand out as the 2 that can be separated from the rest. So we're going to select those like so. Let's look at our next ones. This one's a bit more complicated, I think. So we've got Ferrari, Micra, Toyota, Kia and Civic. Ferrari is a make of car. Micra is a model of a Nissan. Then we got Toyota, which again is a make of car. Then we've got Kia, which is a make of car. And we've got Civic, which is a model of a Honda. So actually the ones that stand out as different are Civic and Micra. I'm going to underline those. Okay, let's move on to the next lot. So here we have hyacinth, iris, stem, petal and rose. Now hyacinth, iris and rose are actually all flowers. Then we're left with stem and petal. Now what's a stem and a petal? Obviously the stem holds the flower up and then petal is part of the actual flower, the pretty part. So we can select those because they're not types of flowers. Let's look at our set here. So we've got drive, dance, walk, road and gum. So drive, dance and walk, or drive is a verb, dance is a verb, and we've got walk as a verb. Now road and gum on the other hand, they are nouns. So in this case, we're going to select them because they're the ones that can be grouped. Final 2. So we've got cylinder, square, circle, pentagon, and cone. These 3, square, circle, and pentagon, they're actually 2D, whereas cylinder and cone are 3D. So these 2 can be grouped together. Number 6 is quite challenging. A lot of kids struggle with these types of questions. So you've got Baron, Lord, Queen, Prince, and Countess. So these here are actually about males and females. So a Baron, as opposed to a Baroness, is a male. We've got a male there. We've got Lord, and that's a male too. We've got Queen, female. We've got Prince, which is male. And we've got Countess, female. So the 2 that we can label as our answers are actually Queen and Countess. Hey presto, we're done. To get good at this question type, obviously you need a good vocabulary and you need good general knowledge. I'd recommend downloading a copy of our vocabulary book in the description below. I hope you found that video useful. Don't forget you can download your free 20 question PDF from the video description below, and you can download a copy of our verbal reasoning book. To watch another verbal reasoning video, click somewhere here, and don't forget to like and subscribe.